I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Reaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound, no matter where I go.
Look at my little phone case the girls got me.
We're gonna go explore the town.
We're going to the 5 and Dime.
I do need to go to the
We are headed to town. We just got so many souvenirs from here. Shopping haul. I thrifted this sweatshirt for $8 and a shirt for $7. I got this hat at the gas station, and then I thrifted this purse, which is like so like country vibes, but I feel like it's so fun. And then my cute little buttons. I'll have to figure out what I want to make to put these on, but I just like loved these, like with the little cowboy. So cute.
Every day I walk the floor and think of you, and every night I ain't got no money the first week of the month. Right up into orbit, my check's the